Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Keep my life in order. Today's video, guys, we are doing a deep cleaning routine for my living room, you guys. Since I've been here, there are two areas in this living room that I have not touched, and those areas are the ceiling fan and the fireplace. You guys, I really have not focused on those two areas. So you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright you guys, I'm going to remove my white rug out of the living room, and I'm also going to remove the pillows and my throw that's on the sofa. Alright, the first thing we want to work on is the ceiling fan area, you guys. I want to share a fun fact with you. Fun fact, a good way to clean your living room is just using an old pillowcase. If you want to just use some dusting and you want to really do any deep cleaning, you can actually use a pillowcase to help you clean the fan itself. It's really easy, so I just wanted to share that fun fact with you guys if there's something you're interested in doing. Now to actually deep clean my fan, I'm going to use some Fabuloso. I diluted it with a little water. Also, I have a towel with me, and I'm going to go ahead and clean my fan with these two items. The first thing I'd like to do is to spray my towel to make sure I get it saturated really good. And this is how I'm going to deep clean my ceiling fan. Now the big reveal for this fireplace. I have not touched this fireplace since I moved here, you guys. I think I did probably a little wipe down, but nothing major. But as you can see, I got all kind of particles, and this part needs to be wiped down, at least wiped down a little, you know, a whole lot better. And then I got some particles at the bottom of the fireplace. So you guys, yes, we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up really good and do some deep cleaning. So let's go ahead and get started with cleaning up the fireplace. Alright you guys, now it's time for the bonus clean that I'm going to share with you guys in the video. I am about to actually dust this high ceiling window in my foyer area. And to do this, you guys, I purchased an extended duster from Walmart. And so we're going to go ahead and just dust this window. I'm not going to do any kind of cleaning to it. I just want to dust like the perimeters and the actual crown molding of the windows and stuff like this. So this is the bonus clean, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright you guys, as you can see I got my fan going. It's so clean. I cleaned everything up really good in the living room, so I'm really glad that I did some deep cleaning to this ceiling fan of mine. No more dust particles flying everywhere, so it's absolutely clean, which is a great thing. Now I'm going to show you guys the reveal of the fireplace. As you can see, I wiped it down. No more dust particles at the bottom. So I hope you guys like this video, and thanks for watching.